Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to forget a Wi-Fi network on Mac. Whether you are troubleshooting connectivity issues or just cleaning up your network list, it's a handy trick to know, so let's start the video. To forget Wi-Fi network in MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and then select System Settings from the drop-down menu. By the way, I'm using Sonoma, which is currently the latest version of Mac OS. If you are using an older version of Mac, then the interface might be a bit different. Now select Wi-Fi on the left sidebar. In the Known Network section, you will see a list of all the Wi-Fi networks your Mac has connected to. Find the network you want to forget and then click on More button with 3 dots and then choose Forget this network. So click on it. You will get a confirmation dialog box asking if you are sure you want to remove this network. Click on Remove button to confirm. This will remove the selected Wi-Fi network from your Mac's memory. So there you have it. You have successfully forgotten a Wi-Fi network on your Mac. Thanks for watching.